Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to show FPS meter on Samsung Galaxy A06. Simply go on Chrome, search here up to down, tap on this website, simply search here FPS meter, install this application, simply scroll down, tap on get the latest version, again scroll down, tap on download, simply tap again on download. As you can see, file is downloaded. Now tap on open, tap on install, simply tap on open. As you can see, FPS is showing. Now tap on start. Now give the permission to this application. Simply tap on this toggle. Now go back and tap again on start. As this is free application, so advertisement will come. You can simply skip it, or you can simply turn your Wi-Fi off. So as you can see, FPS is showing on the bottom, but I want to show FPS on the top and the right side. So I will simply tap on this. As you can see, my FPS are now on right side. Now if you want to do your FPS on the top side, simply tap on this and done. As you can see, now FPS is showing on the right and top side. Now let's play the game. As you can see, 60 FPS is coming. So that's it for the video. This is how you can show FPS meter on Samsung Galaxy A06. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.